EasyPower is the industry's fastest and easiest electrical power systems analysis software, designed for engineers, consultants, facility managers, and safety professionals. At any stage of your power system project, EasyPower lets you analyze a digital model that mirrors your real-world equipment. During design, engineers and consultants validate and verify designs based on applicable codes and standards, while evaluating project feasibility. During construction, contractors and equipment manufacturers use EasyPower to select manufacturer equipment and prepare build submittals. Facility personnel can use EasyPower during operation to perform what-if analyses and troubleshoot issues as they arise. And during maintenance, safety professionals and electrical engineers rely on EasyPower to assess arc flash risk and maintain compliance with NFPA 70E and other standards. You can create a clean, professional one-line diagram using EasyPower's intuitive interface. Quickly add components like fuses, cables, motors. Manually or easily import from existing data sources and templates to save time and reduce errors. Let's build a typical model. First, a source is added as a representation of the upstream utility. Then, a service transformer is connected, which steps down the voltage. From the transformer, a busway is used to connect to the main switchgear. Now, the switchgear is inserted. Set the voltage. Add the main breaker. Insert 6 feeders, each with 6 cables that feed 6 motors. The final step is to connect the busway to the switchgear. Finally, our digital model of the design is complete. Our Auto Design module covers the gaps in your design automatically, helping you verify compliance with electrical codes and standards at every step. You can also build parts of your model as subsystems templates, making it easy to reuse proven designs in larger projects. Now let's enter equipment data. For example, cable information like conductor size and length. Let's now adjust protective device settings based on information gathered in the field. In my breaker, I can link the picture showing its settings to easily cross-reference my model with real-world assets. You can also model single-phase systems, DC systems, all interconnected, and add annotations to your models. Using EasyPower's short-circuit engine, you can run a short-circuit study in seconds using the methods in ANSI, IEEE, and IEC standards. You can see total fault currents on buses, fault current flows on branches, and automatically highlight equipment duty violations where devices are not rated sufficiently. You can generate detailed reports that can be exported to Word and Excel. Quickly generate time current curves using EasyPower's coordination module. You can easily adjust curves to protect motors, transformers, and feeders, and observe the impact of your changes on arc flash incident energy in real time. In this example, let's start by coordinating the breaker with the motor's inrush current. Then, we coordinate the feeder breaker with the main breaker and coordinate with the upstream transformer. Our comprehensive library contains breakers, fuses, and relay time current curves for a wide range of manufacturers. Using EasyPower's arc flash module, perform arc flash hazard analyses based on IEEE 1584 and other standards to determine PPE requirements, generate compliant arc flash labels, and create work permits for electrical safety to comply with NFPA 70E, OSHA standards, and others. EasyPower's Power Flow module calculates voltage, current, and power factor under steady-state operating conditions. You can identify system performance issues, voltage regulation problems, and equipment overloads to optimize your system. Using EasyPower's Harmonics Module, you can model and analyze total harmonic distortion generated by nonlinear loads and various power system equipment. You can analyze distortion levels at points of connection based on IEEE 519 and mitigate issues caused by harmonics, allowing you to evaluate the impact of filters. EasyPower's Dynamic Stability Module enables accurate simulation of dynamic power system events, providing clear, real-time visualization of transient system behavior, including motor starting, through interactive plots. Robust scripting capabilities allow you to define and sequence customized events. EasyPower's Reliability Module enables assessment of electrical system reliability and associated financial risks. Quickly quantify system availability, expected downtime, outage costs, and expenses related to equipment repair or replacement based on IEEE standards. To compare different configurations, evaluate alternative designs, and simulate what-if scenarios in your system, you can create scenarios using EasyPower. To learn more, visit us at bentley.com/EasyPower.